What's up, Roughnecks? This is Poemosaurus Rex here, and this is the original Blender. It looks more like a food processor, so you'd obviously process zombies in one this big, not carrots. Alright, so let's take a look. We're going to do something special because it's Christmas Eve, and let's grab ourselves... I don't know where he is in here, so it might take me 1 second. We want the zombie... the one that blows up. Where is he? Demolition. There he is. I've never played with one of these. Yeah, you come here. We're gonna see what happens to you if you fall into this thing. Come on. Come on. Oh, here he comes. Is this gonna blow up? Go on. Let's see if I can walk on the glass and get him to... Come on over here. Come on over here. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Ring around the rosy. Okay, so, well, it looks like that if you use the blade traps, that it does not make him blow up. But if we do this, since he blew out the corner, oop, no, what? All right, let's call in another one. Let's call in another one, Roughnecks. He's not gonna be taking this from us. We are blowing up the blender today. Oh, where is he? Demolition. And we are going to... Oh, crap. Well, maybe we're not going to need him to do it. Ourselves a hunting rifle. Oh, jeez, I'm crow. This is completely going awry, and it's because I haven't played in a while and I suck. Roughnecks. Do I have any ammo? I got 1 shot. Let's see if I can make this happen. Okay, so let's cue it down here. Let's wait for him to come back. We got 1 shot. Come on, where are you? It's actually kind of hard to hit that, isn't it? Okay, let's go to the bag. Jeez, crow. Give me a pistol. Shit, give me a shotgun. I'm just gonna take the shotgun. Call it good. Jeez. What is happening with this Demolisher? I thought if you shot him in the chest. Well, this is not going the way I planned. And look, he destroyed my blender. I destroyed my blender. I'm the one that destroyed it. Jeez. Okay, so obviously that did not go the way we wanted it to. So let's move over here. Thank you for watching the blender just get totally wrecked by one Demolisher, and it wasn't even a good time at all. That was horrible. So make sure to subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.